So what is an AI scaling law? It's essentially the belief that as you make a AI bigger, it becomes more capable and thus has a lower error rate. There are three key ways in which you can increase the size of a model that we know of, and those are increasing the amount of data that a model has access to. The obvious limit with this is the amount of human data available. We've kind of hit that sort of wall anyway, but then we've got synthetic data, so data made by machines. So there's more examples to train future models on. There's the amount of compute, which is simply NVIDIA GPUs in most cases, like how much processing power there is. The obvious limit is the money that the company has to spend on GPUs and create a big enough cluster to train these big models, and the amount of energy that exists and that a company can produce. So there's obvious issues there. And then there's also parameters. So parameters are the inferences that can be made from the data on which the model has been trained. And they're sort of dependent on, I guess, the inner workings of the model and how it comes to conclusions and inferences about the data sets and spots patterns. So there is this general belief that as you scale up, you can increase any of those things, you will get increased performance in models, but it seems to be leveling out a little bit, which may imply that there will be an extra step needed to get maybe a refinement of models to get them to the point where they can get higher and higher benchmark scores. And that's essentially what scaling laws are. It might not be so much of a law, but a general trend that is leveling out. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think the AI scaling will continue?